Okay, now in my previous video, I explained je and tu, their adjective possessives, which we used with je and tu. Now let's go further. Now we know il, elle. What is il and what is elle? Yes, he and she. Now the adjective possessive for he, she is his and her. In English, we use his and her based on the gender of the person. His pen, her pen, his car, her car. It means that the car, if we say her car, the car belongs to a girl, right? If we say his car, the car belongs to a boy. But in French, it is not like that. In French, it is the car who is important. It is the car whose gender we have to see. For example, in English, we say his name. It means the name of a boy. But in French, we say son nom, S-O-N, which is used for his or her. Even if we are saying her name, we will use S-O-N because name is masculine. Okay, just try to understand this. Name is masculine. So whether it is a girl's name or a boy's name, we will use S-O-N. Similarly, house. If we say his house, it means the house belongs to a boy. Her house belongs to a girl. But no, in French, we have to see what is house. House is feminine. So we will say sa maison. Sa maison. Sa is used whenever the subject is feminine. If we have to say his house or her house in French, we will say sa maison because maison is feminine. It does not matter whether it is a girl's house or a boy's house. The house is feminine, so that's why we will use sa. Son, sa. Son for masculine, sa for feminine. Now again, when we have to say plural, her pens, his pens. In English, it means that there is a group of pens which belong to a girl or a boy. But no, in French, pens is plural. So whether it belongs to a group of boy or group of girl, sorry, a girl or a boy, we will use S-E-S. Okay, son, sa, se for il and elle. Son, sa, se. Son is used for masculine, sa is used for feminine, and se is used when we are talking about plural things, when we are talking about multiple things. Okay, for example, if I have to say his houses, I will not say sa maison, I will say ses maisons because houses, multiple, plural has come now. That's why I have used ses. If I was talking about singular, I will see, okay, maison. Maison is feminine. Then I will use sa. Okay, understood. I hope this is becoming clear to you now. Similarly, vous. Vous means you. The adjective possessive for vous is votre. Votre nom, your name. The formal form of you is vous. And what is the informal form of you? Tu. Yes, tu. Now we are talking about the formal form of vous. Vous, votre nom, votre nationalité. At least here it is same. For masculine, feminine, vous is same. Votre, votre. Whether it is masculine, whether it is feminine, for vous, we will use votre. But if we are talking about plural, then we will use vos, V-O-S. Votre, votre, vos, V-O-S. Your friends, friends, group of people. We are talking about a group of people. So we will use the plural form, vos. Okay. Votre nom, votre nationalité, vos amis. Okay, if I'll say your pen, votre stylo, your pens, vos stylos, V-O-S, stylos. Okay, so try to understand that the subject, if it is a plural, we will use VOS. But if it is masculine and feminine, we will use votre. I think it is clear to you now.